Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys amazing hair growth spray that will help you to benefit your hair growth. Okay, this is going to help you regrow your hair. This is my hair journey in 1 year. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, this is the recipe. All right, so please watch the end of this video so that you can understand the recipe. If you're suffering from hair loss, alopecia, thin edges, your hair is refusing to grow, this is going to help you out. So please. So loves, this is the first ingredient we'll be using. We'll be using cloves. Okay, so cloves has amazing benefits for hair growth. It stops hair shedding. It's used to protect your scalp from dandruff. It thickens your hair. It strengthens your hair follicles. So for the proportion, we'll be using 1 teaspoon. All right, and I'll also be using bay leaf as well. So I'll be dropping the benefits down in the description box. So please do well to check the benefits down. Okay, I'll also be adding rosemary to this ingredient. All right, so still using the same proportion I use for the cloves, it's same thing I'll be using for the rosemary. The next ingredient we'll be using is hibiscus flower. Okay, I'll be adding hibiscus flowers to this ingredient. This four combination is really great for hair growth. It stops hair thinning, it stops hair loss. All right, so if you're fighting with alopecia, try this recipe out. These are the recipes I use on my hair growth journey that is helping me to improve my hair. All right, so please do well to watch the ending of the video so that you know how I apply it on my hair. All right, so we need a clean jar just like this, and we'll be adding audio ingredients inside. Then we'll add hot water and we'll allow this to infuse for 8 hours, and after 8 hours your hair growth tea is ready. So loves, this is what the tea looks like. Yeah, looks like zobo, right? And if you're in Nigeria, you know what zobo is. Yes, so this is amazing. Like, guys, try this recipe on your hair. All right, you can use this 3 times in a week. Like, you can use this weekly, all right, but at least 3 times in a week use this recipe on your hair. So this is me applying this all over my hair, and I'll be massaging it on my hair. I braided my hair all back, so I'm just going to be massaging it all over my hair, all the areas of my hair, applying it, and also applying other products on my hair as well. I'll be adding my leave-in condition. So we need to add leave-in condition on our hair. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this to pull back moisture. I got a comment from a beautiful lady, I hope you're a lady, and she was like, she had been watching my videos and she noticed that my edges, I should take vitamins. Yes, girl, I'm taking vitamins, but vitamins don't just work just like that. You just have to keep on taking your vitamins and also adding natural ingredients from your hair. Our hair grows from inner out. All right, so I'm taking vitamins for it to grow from the inner. Then I'm also adding all these natural ingredients for it to grow from the outer. So I'm using two ways to tackle my hair. All right, so here I'm using moringa oil for my oils for my hair, oiling all section of my hair, my front edges and the rest. So moringa oil is amazing for hair growth. Please do well to try moringa oil on your hair. Then after this, my hair routine is all over. Yeah, please, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Thank you all for the 260 subscribers. You guys are the best. I never knew that I will reach this far. Okay, so thank you all so much for the encouragement, for the sharing, for the liking. I really, really do appreciate. I started this channel in the hopes of helping anyone to grow their hair, and I'm loving that I'm seeing subscriptions and views. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. So this is my hair 5 days later after using this on my hair. So you can see that there's a little bit of growth in it. New growths are coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.